unboxing Disney Doorables Encanto. Back of it. Bruno, Luisa, Maribel, Antonio, Isabella, Julieta, Pepa, Camilo, and Dolores. This is an unboxing, so unbox like this. A little collector's guide. It's everyone on it. I'm gonna pop this one out. Okay. So these are mystery baggies. And let's see what's in here. I'm guessing. Oh, it's Bruno. Look at him. Now I'm gonna do this one. Okay, now Antonio. No, this is Julieta. Right here. Next mystery question. Right here. Okay, so I don't know who this is. It's gonna be a surprise. Peppa. These two are siblings, so I'm gonna bring all the bags out. Okay, we got 5 more bags left, so let's start with this one. Okay, let's see. We got Dolores. Now this one. Miro. Camilo. Isabella, my favorite. And then we got Luisa. I left the bag out and I thought I was missing something with this one. It's Antonio. Yay. Sparkly feet.